Let's walk through the process of racking out the Masterpact breaker. We have Brooks Cotton with Snyder Electric Field Services to show us how. First, make sure the breaker is turned off. Press the press to close button to discharge the spring, and then press the press to open button to open the contact. For draw-out circuit breakers, rack the breaker into the disconnected position. To do this, remove the racking handle from the front right side of the cradle. Fit it into the racking mechanism slot and turn the handle counterclockwise. The arrow on the front of the cradle will move toward the test position on the display. When you hear a click, you've reached the position. Now push the button on the bottom of the cradle. That allows you to keep turning the rack handle counterclockwise. Do so until you reach a disconnected position. The arrow will point at a disconnected line image and you will hear another click. That tells you the breaker is successfully in the disconnected position. Next, press the black latching tabs, which are on the left and right side of the breaker, and pull until the extension rails are fully extended. Now remove the breaker from the rails.